What was your first sexual experience? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. Super interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, I'm quite nervous because this video, so basically this is gonna be a truth or drink video, as you guys see from the title and the thumbnail. This is what I put up to ask you guys for the questions and such. So truth or drink questions, hit me with them, and let me just say, y'all hit me with them. This truth or drink is gonna be kind of different because I don't want to drink any alcohol, or I don't like to drink that much alcohol, but I like alcohol. So I do have this bottle that I have from Christmas and it's almost done, and I'm gonna want to drink it though, but I'm not gonna be drinking this in the video, let's just say that much. But I could take a shot if you guys want to see me drink. So I have my little teeny glass that's like a shot glass that I could like drink some for y'all. I don't drink this alone as I don't like ginger. This is the main reason I don't drink this alone, because I can drink like the white wine by itself and like other things, but your girl don't like ginger. Plus I'm not even supposed to be drinking ginger. But anyways, what I'll be doing, I have some lime juice here, guys, lime juice, yeah, and I have my cup. So I have my cup. So basically, if I don't want to answer a question, I'm gonna be throwing some into my little thingy. That wine in my stomach though. All right, so since I'm a Christian, that's pretty much, I don't really drink to get drunk, so I don't want to drink that. I just drink casually basically. So yeah, just bear with me. So I think a lot of y'all know that already. I am a Christian, so we gotta do things different on this channel. Anyways, but these questions though, so the first set of questions I'm gonna read. So the first one says, what is the craziest thing you've ever done? I don't do that much crazy stuff. I'm not really that outgoing and crazy. Craziest thing I've ever done. I don't know. I really don't know. I think I'm gonna have to drink to that because I really don't know, so I can't answer. So I'm gonna have to. This is not a good sign. The first question, the first thing, and I can't. That's a lot. I think that's enough, right? That's even a lot. Like seriously, that tastes good in the juice. I love sour things, or well, not that sour. That is raw sour. Let's hope we don't have to drink anymore. Next question says, have you ever smoked before? I'm happy to say no, I've not. Who you love more, mom or dad? She's I can't answer this. I don't love any of them more, but I think pretty much you want me to choose, so I have to drink. Like, why? All right, next one. Do you prefer a female or a male lover? Male. A male, please. Just male. Beach or pool? Beach or pool? Can I actually choose though? I'd say beach, because even though I love the pool, the beach to me is more pure. It's more fun because the waves, you have like waves pushing you, you can jump over waves and such. It's the next set of questions. Oh, all of those were from one person. Alright, so the first one, ever thought of trying premarital activities? I have, actually. What is the best and worst quality of your best friend? This is hard. Alright, so my best friend, for those who are new to the channel, my best friend is my sister. So I pretty much live with her. Yes, I know most things about her. Her best quality is that she's very supportive. She's like my #1 fan. Her worst quality, she loves shaming that much. Yeah, she shames me a lot. Because but let me tell you something about me, guys. I am a loving person and I like to express my love to you, so I'll just come and hug you, but I hug very tight. So she owls a red bait. So the next one is, what's one thing you would change about yourself? I would say my shyness and just my antisocial behavior, my socially awkward behavior. There's 3 things. I can't choose one. There's 3. I kind of want to change all of those because right now it's not proving to be very good for me. But then again, it makes me who I am. But if I could change, I would change those things, especially the socially awkward part. Alright, what triggers you the most, as in what causes you to be angry? When I'm being annoyed, I hate being annoyed, but I like to annoy people. Do you see yourself contributing to Jamaica's brain drain? No. I don't think so. Alright, so the next question is, cheers. This probably hit worse than any rum. Would you have a child before marriage? No. Nah, I don't want to. I do want kids, but not before marriage because I wanna take care of Pitney. No. Next question, have you ever been drunk? Actually, no. No. As I said, I don't drink to get drunk. I pretty much like just drink like socially. So I'll drink like a wine now, probably tomorrow, the next one, you know, but I don't drink as often. And when I drink, I don't drink a lot. I don't know where my limit is, and I'm not going to push to find out where it is. I don't want to find out. I don't want to know what I look like drunk, because I don't like to see drunk people. Like, I don't want to be in a state where I don't know what I'm doing with myself. Yo. So, no. Truth. Are you single? Actually, yes, I am. Alright, the next question. What is the last thing you searched for on your phone? Alright, to be honest, when the question asks about brain drain, I know what it is, but I just wanted to make sure I was actually making sense, so I actually literally just searched it. So that is what is on my phone as the last search, and if you don't believe me, it's literally there. See, that is what I actually just looked for, because I wanted to make sure I was actually saying the right thing, because I don't want to be on the internet saying stuff that's not right. So I actually did that. But anyways, that's the last thing I searched for on my phone. What is the most embarrassing thing you did at work? No, these questions, guys, when you ask me like things that I have to think like in the past about, is quite hard for me because I don't remember a lot. Do I have to drink to that? Because I can't remember. It's not like I don't want to tell you guys. I actually literally can't remember. I have to drink. I want to drink anymore. Yeah, I'm not gonna drink. Alright, so that's that. Now, the next one I'm gonna read is, you prefer staying at home than going out? Do I prefer staying at home or going out? I like being at home because I like being comfortable, but I also like going out because I like to travel. I like to see new places, so I'd say going out. Yeah, I'd say going out. I like going out. And then the next person asked, are you in a relationship? No, I'm not in a relationship. I'm single. So yeah. Alright, and then these questions now. Which parent do you prefer? I already said I can't. I'm not gonna drink to that again. I can't choose. I don't know what to choose. Alright, who is your favorite cousin? Like seriously? Nikki, you're wicked. You know you're wicked. I can't answer that. I just can't answer that. Let me just grab my cup a little bit. Show the cloudy juice in it. Cheers. Let me now feel this. This just, it's hard. I thought this wasn't gonna be as bad because it wasn't the liquor, but the lime juice don't taste good. All right, so the next one, how many boyfriends have you ever had? 2. I'd say 1. Pretty much 1, because I'm gonna call the other one a boyfriend. It was like dating for like a week. That's a different story time, but yeah, I'd say 1, my high school one, and 1.5. Pretty much the other one wasn't really a boyfriend because we dated for a week and he cheated. So yeah. Anyways, what do you hate the most about your sister? I don't hate any. Well, as me said, she always ashamed me. So pretty much that's the only thing I hate. I don't want to drink any more of this stuff. Like seriously. What is your most embarrassing moment? I'm not sure. I'm not lie to you. Like, I don't know if I can remember a most embarrassing moment, but I assume say like probably one time when me drop in a public. Cause I'm sure me drop in a public before. And that is embarrassing because when you drop in a public and people look at you, that's bad. But anyways, so I'm gonna choose that, but I can't exactly remember, you know. Next one, who is your crush? No celebrities or people way out of your reach. Someone around you. Actually, I don't have one, and that's a different story on its own. I can't explain right now why. So somebody else actually asked another question like that one. Do you have a crush on anyone? And that would be no. So to answer the other person's question, who is your crush? I don't have one at the moment on anybody that is not a celebrity. Pretty much I have no crush on somebody that's around me right now. I'm not gonna lie about that one. If you want to know why, for the person that asked this question, you can just text me. Okay, just text me. I'll let you know why I don't have any crush on anybody right now. But yeah, so the next question is also about a crush. Name your Jamaican celebrity crush or 2 shots. I don't have no Jamaican celebrity crush, so I'll just take 2 shots. That's just evil. I've got to take 2 shots at this. But I do have YouTube crushes, so yeah. I'm not afraid to talk with me of crush, but like, because if he sees this, even though I know he won't, yeah. I'm gonna count this as 2 shots. Can I count this as 2? I just want to drink it one time. So yeah, this is going to be counted as 2 shots. All right, that's the 2 shots. But if you like want to know like who is my celebrity crush, pretty much that would be Base K. I don't know why, but I just love that boy. And then my other celebrity crush would have to be Boo Boo Stewart. So yeah, still have a crush on him, but yeah, those are the 2. And I think you probably might pick up why I don't have a crush on anybody near me. Alright, so I think this is going to be the last question. I'm just double checking to like see if there's any more. And the question asks, what was your first sexual experience? I'm gonna do like Perry. What is sex? Please put that in a sentence. But I'm gonna answer you and say I'll let you know when that happens, you know. I'll let you know when that happens. But yeah, all right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Those are all the questions I got. If you have other questions that you want to know, because y'all nosy, so y'all want to know stuff, comment it down below. Or if you feel more comfortable like sending it to me on Instagram, you guys can follow me on Instagram at brassbabygirl. This is my brassbabygirl. It will also be in the description down below. You can also follow me on Snapchat at Shakay. You can follow me on TikTok at BratsK23, and you can also go on Twitter. I'm on Twitter, BratsK1. So you guys can go ahead and check me out, add me on social medias, because a lot of times when I do videos like these, that's where I first post. We're growing, so if you want to be a part of my family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As I said, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. You guys go ahead and check out my Get Ready With Me to Film I Did This look. So if you want to see how I attained this look, go ahead and watch my previous video, which will be in the cards above. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.